major problem on these little plugs themselves is the fact, if you just zoom in here, okay, so this is obviously a plug I've just pulled out of the box, and you can see straight away how much movement you actually get on these wires. And over time, vibration, these things moving around, being involved in crashes on a regular basis, these things open up, you start getting intermittent issues, and your video starts breaking up. So what we're going to do is just put a bit of hot glue on that just to secure it in place. You're going to put the paracord over it and just secure the whole lot in place with a piece of heat shrink. And that again, the paracord keeps everything nice snug together. You can secure this down onto your board so you don't get your wires vibrating and moving around as much as if you were just to plug this in and terminate your wires. Okay, so we're going to start with our lead itself. I'm not too worried about the length of the wire at the moment. This thing's obviously way too long. Like I said, 70 mils of the paracord. We slide that over. So obviously goes on a lot easier than the ESC wire. Now, this end, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a little bit of hot glue on those wires to secure the plug itself into the plastic housing. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Just a tiny dab. That's all it needs, just on the one side. So we'll push our paracord straight up into it like that. So just to get the whole lot to connect up nicely like that. Okay. Got a little bit on the plug there, which you can just take off with your nail. Okay, so that'll prevent the plug and the connector from moving around. Then I slide this over like so, and you'll see the heat shrink, give it like 1 or 2 mils over the edge of that part of the plug. So when you heat it up, it shrinks down and hooks on that edge. So like so. Then once again, I'm going to use a lighter just to heat this up, but just be careful of the plug and the paracord again, because that stuff does go up quite easily. So just hold it in place, like so. Just go around slowly, heat this whole thing up. Okay. And that's done. Okay, so we'll do the exact same thing for the VTX, and then we'll secure this down onto our board. So let's get the other wire done and sorted, and then we can go from there.